This is the closest that you can get to India Gate at the moment. As you can see, the major arterial routes leading to India Gate, one primary one being Ashoka Road, is blocked at the moment in wake of heavy barricading to keep the protesters and crowds away from India Gate. Along the same route, even Mansingh Road, in fact, on the other side, being another primary route leading to India Gate, has been barricaded onto the other side. And of course, security deployment is heavy over here. Commuters facing difficulties in reaching to their workplace, but they've also been telling us about how they feel it is worth it. In fact, all the difficulty is worth it because they feel that this is only a 1 or 2 day difficulty they will face, and if it leads to some real action on ground, they feel it is all worth it. But of course, at the moment, all the major routes leading to India Gate have been heavily barricaded in wake of protesters. Yesterday, as we witnessed, they were, of course, continuing to march towards India Gate in spite of several forces being applied on them. Even Mansingh Road over here, heavy deployment of security, even media personnel being asked to keep away, and commuters constantly trying to find out from these security officials, which route should they take? What is the way to get to their workplace at the moment, since all the major routes are blocked. These are, of course, the main arterial routes that people take every day in huge numbers to reach to their workplace, to reach to their workplace early in the morning. So, of course, at the moment, there is difficulty on ground. But what is most important is that these commuters feel that it is worth it if this really translates into some real action on ground. With video journalist Nikhil Rastogi, Molly Gambhir in New Delhi for NewsX.